fucking hot.
Me too, fuck yeah.
Alright guys, time to replace the timing belt on this car. Apparently it hasn't been changed in like 10 years. Gonna see the condition of it. There's the parts. Valve cover gasket, everything, water pump. Let's get to it.
Do it.
Let's do it. Let's get it done. This thing is gonna be hot now. You remove it like a man. The wheel, very good.
Is that timing cover off already?
Look, no,
Yeah.
no, just the splash thing. It's not off. Life is life. Alright, let me see. Said or no?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
2 weeks ago.
Brand new, huh? Very new. Okay, be careful.
I pick up from this side.
You pick up from the other side, and I pick up from this
It's
side.
hot now, just be careful.
Very hot.
Why does this look so much more complicated than BMW? What the fuck?
Because it's a Honda. A lot of complication.
Wait, was there a gasket on there, bro?
Yeah, it just got stuck to the cover. Yeah, it would be, otherwise it would be leaking like crazy. Yeah, look at that. Black oil. Ah. Good, huh? You can lubricate the power, coolant hoses so they don't get cracked up.
Exactly what?
Alright, let me get over here.
You get over here, Banana.
You go over there. Loosening, now we're loosening these belts. Power steering and alternator and AC. Alright guys, I loosened this bolt and then loosened that one, that tensioning bolt right there, and as you can see my belt is actually loose right now and I can take it off. Mechanic assistant, you push this down right now and I do the magic thing.
You take the belt off?
Put it down.
Apply
Look
pressure?
at that.
Oh no.
Very nice.
Useless, because you have the fucking wrench
Yes,
on
I know. Now the alternator and AC.
One eternity later.
Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna start working on the timing cover. Dipstick. What are you doing over there, bro? Why do you have receipt over there?
You put it down there.
No way.
Yeah, you did.
What you mean, bro?
I'm not. You think I'm playing?
When did I put it there?
You did. You put it up top and.
This guy is watching, man. Security guard.
Watchdog.
Watchdog. Knows everything, every step I do. Yeah, pitbull. Yeah. Special Honda tool.
$13.
$13. Good tool if you have Honda for 100 years.
Damn, did that pulley get loose?
Yeah, it's loose.
That's fucked up.
Why?
Because, nahoj.
Bro. This
Just hit it with a hammer. Tap it.
pulley to come off. Oh.
Why do you do not want pulley to come off?
Now I do.
Oh.
You got the paint mark anywhere? Something?
Leche.
Or nah.
He's like,
At least
nah.
Sharpie. I need the Sharpie right now. Yeah, look at this thing. Is this? Nah, that's normal, I think. It's not twisted.
I have upstairs. I'll go upstairs real quick.
Okay, bring it. Alright guys, so like I said, this is the main special tool for the Honda to remove the pulley, the crankshaft pulley. And what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna mark the crankshaft and the pulley itself together, even though you don't really have to, because it's a you know, there's a keyway, so it goes one way only. But then on the top, I'm gonna show you timing marks. There's actually 3 timing marks. I mean, there's 2 timing marks. There's a, let's see if you can see. Well, it's gonna be hard to see, but there's a notch that lines up with that middle part. So there's a notch on the crankshaft pulley that lines up with that tab right there, as you can see in the middle. And also right here on the back of the thing of the camshaft pulley, it has a sign up. It has to line up with this. It's a little off, as you can see, so I'm gonna have to adjust it. Now I gotta keep removing the timing covers.
A few moments later.
So top timing cover is off. Seems like the belt is in a good condition. They probably changed it before, so but either way we're gonna change it. So I have the GoProshka with me, and pulley is off. I marked it over there as well, you can see, even though we have the crankshaft keyway. And this thing is gonna come out right now. Look at that. Yay. Look at that. I'm starting to remove all these bolts that go around the lower timing cover.
One hour later.
There we are. This exposes the belts. It's because they have changed it recently, actually. But we're gonna change them anyways again. Fucking wrench, nahoj.
Bro, we're having some sandwiches after this.
Very much. Water pump, everything is brand new. We already took off the
Bro, it's raining.
timing
No
belts.
way.
Raining?
Yes.
Oh, better hurry up.
Let's go. Let's go. It's raining. No way. This is fucked up.
That's yeah,
You
sucks.
should push the car underneath that tree over there. If anything, that's where I usually.
Underneath the tree, he said. Shower time. We'll have to do a lot of cleanup here, because I missed a lot of it, because I'm a new guy.
Fucking bitch.
Let's see what brand this was. I don't know.
No name.
You're gonna figure it out. That's what you're for.
Oh yeah?
Let me get that thing. Here's the new pump putting on. Let's clean that thing up. Gotta reinstall it. Alright guys, so the water pump is in, all cleaned up, all torqued, all nicely. Now I'm gonna probably put this engine mount back, this arm that was here, and then start putting the belts back on. Look at that. brand new belt, brand new water pump. Huh? Really nice. Nice to have GoProshka
Amazing.
to actually get everywhere.
Just amazing.
Yep. And we just did the valve adjustment. Some valves were too tight, some were too loose. That was all done. You're actually supposed to do that on these Hondas. So yeah, we're gonna start it right now before I put everything back together, make sure everything is good, and then got the new valve cover and all the seals.
A few moments later.
Start it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
100%?
Yes.
Should we add oil?
It should be good now. Chucha. Oh, it's dead? Oh shit, wait. Nothing? Lights come on? Alright, we tightened the engine ground. Go ahead! It was low too? How much was it?
27.
Valve some cap? Are you new or what? Where's the cap?
I just asked you that.
Where is it, bro? Come on.
Oh, no.
Not in your pockets?
No, I just emptied out my bucket. You didn't fucking go anywhere.
Under the car? There, bro. Taking all my caps.
That's when I left your place.
Not burning anymore, huh? So maybe I should help, huh?
It's crazy, it's still over full and we're already at India.
See, I came back home and got scared of me. It's not burning anymore.
No,
Yeah, fixed everything. Look, battery's good.
You
Fixed
called
with
it
zip
every
ties.
name you could yesterday, so I think she's done playing games.
She's done playing games. She had a bad surgery yesterday.
Worst car ever made, but yeah.
I really wouldn't say that if that didn't happen yesterday.
See the valve stems underneath the car.